Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the fiscal year function in the Accounting Master module of Parsimony. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up and manage fiscal years in Parsimony. Let's start by navigating to the Accounting Master module in the Parsimony dashboard. Click on the Accounting Master module to access the necessary functions. The Accounting Master dashboard provides a centralized location to manage all accounting-related settings and configurations. To set up your fiscal year, click on the Fiscal Year option. This is where you define the start and end dates for your financial reporting period. In the Fiscal Year list, you'll find the existing fiscal years that have been set up in Parsimony. Let's go through the process of adding a new fiscal year. To create a new fiscal year, click on the New button. This will open a new fiscal year entry form. In the fiscal year entry form, you'll need to fill in several fields to define the characteristics of the fiscal year. Start by entering a descriptive name for the fiscal year in the fiscal year name field. Make sure it accurately represents the period covered by the fiscal year. Next, select the start date and end date for the fiscal year. These dates define the duration of the financial reporting period. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click on the Save button to save the fiscal year. You will now see the newly added fiscal year in the list. You can continue adding fiscal years in a similar manner to accommodate your organization's reporting needs. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your fiscal years in the Accounting Master module of Parsimony. Now you can accurately track and report your financial data based on the defined fiscal periods. Thank you for watching this tutorial.